What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Crypto Babe Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Happy holidays, season's greetings to you. I hope you're having a marvelous Sunday today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are back to show you how to earn daily pay income. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. The link is in the description. Check it all out. All right, so we're back to talk about it just a little bit and show you another proof payment. I mean, I've been doing this since 2021. If you go back and check my channel, you'll see I've been promoting this particular opportunity since 2021. All right, when it actually was created. All right, so we're back again to show you once again. Again, I don't show you every time we make commissions, but I was compelled to do so today. We're getting off to a great start of the week. This is going to be a new week, right? Tomorrow is Monday, but we've already made money on a Sunday. How about that? So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. When I tell you I love this system, okay? Love it, love it, love it. I love digital marketing, digital products. Anyway, I've been promoting them, oh my goodness, let's see, since 2012, 2013-ish. All right, but I am so loving this one because we hold your hand step by step training that you're going to get, guys. We're going to show you a skill. That's the difference. You're going to learn a skill, not just showing you how to recycle, okay, and just keep selling a program. Once you learn the skill, that's what's going to make the difference to change everything you do. Doesn't matter what program you join going forward. Once you learn the skills that we provide you here, you'll be able to promote and make sales, get results with any program. All right, so you're going to learn the six-figure blueprint. You're going to get educated on how you can use the power of social media to do so. Okay, but not just social media. We've got lots of training in here. But you're going to be able to pick which platform you want to use to do this. But the skills are here. Day-to-day training, day-to-day videos. We walk you through it. We hold your hand. Doesn't matter if you're a newbie. Doesn't matter if you're non-technical. Doesn't matter. As long as you've got the desire and you're going to be committed to the process. That's all that matters. We've got live training classes weekly. Daily missions. Again, like I said, the daily video is going to walk you through everything you need to do on a day-to-day basis. You're going to get access to a thriving community. That is the key. That is what made me decide to go ahead and upgrade. I was already at the $300 Pro. Okay, when this program first launched out in 2021, it only had 3 products: the 50, the 150, and the 300. Right? Of course, I was all in. $339 of business in a box. Recently, I decided to upgrade because I discovered a new community that I knew newbies would be able to benefit from. The value that you get in here is amazing. All right. And I know that being a new person, you're going to need that. You're going to need that fellowship. People, you want to see people just like you. Hey, I'm new to this. Hey, I think I'm an older person. Okay, because a lot of times people feel, well, I'm over 50, I'm over 60. I don't really know how to do this stuff. I'm not technical. We have people from all walks of life, guys, from all age groups in our community. That's following these simple strategies and getting results. I'll show you some of that as well. All right, so I decided to take an opportunity such as this back in 2021, purchase the products. Here are the products. It's 4 products, $50, $150, $300, $600. Get in where you fit in. These 2 are the most popular. Okay, because you can earn the most income that can really make a difference. But again, only you know what that is for you. But I can tell you, once you see what people are doing in the community, these are the two that they're getting into. Of course, you can upgrade. You have within 60 days of making your purchase to upgrade, and then all you have to do is pay the difference. If you go beyond the 60 days, then you would pay the full amount of that level you want to upgrade to. Okay, so I am all in. Okay, so I'm taking advantage of everything that they're giving me. All right, so I have full access to everything. I'm not leaving any money on the table. All right, so you get your product. And when you get your product, you get your membership area, right? I'm going to send you an email with 2 links in it. In the email that I'm going to send you, you're going to have a link to get you to your membership area, which is this, right? It looks like this. Let me show you. All right. You're going to go here and you're going to pay for your website. One-time fee. There is no monthly fees with this program. One-time investment. All right. You pick your product, your digital product, 50, 150, 300, or 600. One-time payment. You pay for your website. Your website fee is $39. Or if you go all in at the $600 level, it's $59. All right. You're going to get access here. The link I'm going to send you is going to give you access to your products. This is your products, right? It may look a little different than mine because I'm at the $600 level, but you will see your membership area. Then the second link I'm going to send you is to our thriving community over here. All right. So what I've done is I purchased my products, right? This is how I made the $600 commissions, right? I purchased the $600 product. And then I come over here every day and I get my daily video. Okay, that gives me insight on how I'm going to create my 2-hour workday. And I do this every day, right? I spend about 2 hours a day doing this. Doesn't have to be all at once, guys. The 2 hours, you can split it up. 30 minutes here, 15 minutes here. Just following these simple tasks that we tell you to do consistently every day. All right, so the combination of the two, purchase your products, you got access to your back office here, follow some of these steps, we show you what to do, you come over here, and then you come here and get your day-to-day daily video that's going to walk you through what you need to do. All right, this is a thriving community. Trust me, this is going to help you. This is what's going to keep you in the game. Keep you from quitting on yourself, right? Because you're not quitting on anybody else but you. Because the system has already been proven. It's not on trial. Does this work? Is it going to work? It's been working since 2021. We've got thousands of people that's already done it. So are you going to be committed to sticking to it and following the process? All right, and being dedicated to it, because it will work, guys. All right. So let me show you. So we're here, but let's get to the community. Hang on a second. Let me show you this real quick. As I stated, you're going to get free access to this. All right. This community is not free. Okay. If you just wanted to get in this and say, hey, well, I don't want to buy your product, but I want to use my business to learn what you guys are doing to help my boutique or whatever business you have, this is a $47 a month subscription to be a part of the community. However, for everybody that purchased the digital products over here, okay, you will be able to get in. I will get you in for free, okay? But I will put the link below for this because there are people that have signed up using my link below because they have another business that they want to get going, that they're struggling with, but they want to use the strategies because this is universal training, okay? This is not just for this program. It's universal training. So if you have a business you're already in, you're struggling to get customers, you can join our community. I'll put the link in the description. All right. But for those of you that say, hey, well, you know, I want the done for you system where I don't have to create a business. It's already done for me. I just want to plug into what you guys are already doing. You come here, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. The link is in the description. Pick one of these products. There's 4 of them. All right. You can click any of these buttons to get started. Let me show you. Come all the way down. If you want to pay via Cash App, come all the way down the page and click either the yellow or the green button, depending on which level you want there, or the blue or the green. It's $150. Come down. There's a $300. Come all the way down on that page, and you'll see these buttons here if you want to do Cash App or pay by debit card or credit card. All right, we accept them all. Now, I had a person that paid me via PayPal. They didn't see that button here, so they contacted me and I gave them my PayPal, and they just sent me the $600 via PayPal. So if that's what you want to do as well, just reach out to me. But on this page is how you can pay via debit card, credit card, or Cash App. All right, guys. So anyway, you will be able to purchase your products here. I'll get you in. I'm going to send you an email that's going to give you access to this. It's going to take 24 to 48 hours for the company to create your website. While you're waiting on the company, you could be over here with us in the community, okay? Introducing yourself and checking out what we've got going on over here. As you can see right here, the rest of us, because we're already in it, I think I was maybe 1 or 2 weeks off when they first started this in November. So anyway, we're over here on day we're on day 40. Yes. Okay, see how this goes. December, November, we were here. So we started over here in December. So we're all over here, and every day we just click on one of these. Okay, wherever we are, just follow along. Just click on one of these. As you can see, this one is just a 10-minute video. Okay, you click here, get your insight on what you should focus on for today, and then you apply it right within your 2-hour workday, and we show you how to set that up. Everything is step by step. Okay, so don't worry about, oh, I'm confused. Don't worry about that. Just follow along. All right, so this is what I'm doing. This is how I earned $600 in one day. Okay, this is what I'm telling you. I went here, made my purchase, came back here, got access to this. Website is being created. Then come over here. Well, what should I be doing? You come over here and follow along. Okay, that's it, guys. Be consistent. This will work. Now, let's take a look at what's happening in the community. Let's go here and let me just show you what's happening. These folks are killing it. They're crushing it. Take a look. I'm just going to show a few of these. $6,634 of my 10K in 60 days. $1,200 back to back. $50 while I was cleaning the bathroom. Grateful for the community. Look at what people are saying. Folks are sharing the webinar. I've been sharing that with people too. Okay, finally clicked. Thank you. $1,200 on a live webinar. $19,800 toward my 10K. Winning $1,800 in 2 days. What a win. I mean, look at the results. I woke up to $300 from a random person. Because once you put the information out, people find it, they click on it, they watch the video. We don't have to sell you or any of that because the system is automated. All right? That's the other thing. You don't have to chase your friends and family, guys. We show you how to get people that's interested in what we're offering. Here's somebody waking up to $600. First sale while dancing. Okay, after 11 weeks of posting 3 times a day on TikTok, staying consistent, plugging into the community, going through the trainings, I finally got my first sale, made $600 while at my dance fitness class. Hello, somebody. This is what I'm talking about. Okay? So, guys, this is how we're doing it. Okay? Oh, I just can't. I can't say more. I just really can't, because that's it. But people just have to get their mindset around it, that they can do it. But you can only be the one to set that in your mind. I can't put it in there for you. You have to believe you can do it. But just knowing, you see the community of people that's already doing it. Okay? So if this is something you're interested in getting started in, learning digital marketing, how to earn these commissions. Okay? 50, 150, 300, or $600 commissions instantly. We show you how. We hold your hand. Okay, the only thing we're not doing is doing it for you. We're handing it to you on a silver platter. How to do, what to do, when to do. Now you just gotta go do it. All right, guys. So definitely go check this out. As I stated, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. You'll see these 4 products here. Okay. If you want this one, click here. If you want this one, click here. Now, you can pay with debit card or credit card, or again, come all the way down on the page. You can pay via Cash App as well. As I stated earlier, someone reached out. They paid me via PayPal. That I accept as well. I'll give you that if you have PayPal. All right. So let's do it, guys. It's almost 2024. If you want to see a difference, you got to make a change. Point blank, period. All right. It's going to take you to take action to see the difference, to make the change. We can't do it for you, but we will give you the blueprint to do so. All right. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Oh, did I show you the payment? Hold on. I got so excited. Hang on. Bam. All right. But I covered up the folks' information, but this is my business account for PayPal. Boom. All right. Go check it out, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Season's greetings.